In this video, I show you how to fix system UI has stopped black screen problem on Android. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now tap on three dot. Now tap on reset app preference, then tap on reset apps. Now tap on three dot again, then tap on show system apps. Now search for system UI. Click on system UI. Now click on force stop, then click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, then click on clear cache. After clear cache, now go back. Now search Play Service, tap on Google Play Service, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, clear cache. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now I hope that this method fix system UI has stopped black screen problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.